Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide all your posts on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now this guide will show you settings on Android. iOS on the other hand, have a similar settings to this. Okay, so now if you're on Facebook, go to your profile on the top left, tap the three dots to access the settings, and here you want to go ahead and tap on Activity Log. And inside, you can see all your activity related stuffs. Now, tap the public post underneath the archive tab. Then tap the box that says all to select all your posts. And then tap the three dots on the bottom right. Select change audience. And here, you can fully customize all of your selected posts. So in order to hide all of your posts, select the only me options. And then this message will pop up. Go ahead and tap change. And there you have it. You've successfully hid all your posts. Well, I hope this tutorial helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.